This is the WooCommerce QuickBooks connector by Webkul. It connects your store to QuickBooks Online, so customers, products, orders, payments, refunds, and taxes flow straight into your books. Let's start with the connection. This screen shows your live status, the environment, your company ID, the authentication mode, and whether the access token is in place. Connect Again opens the connection form. Pick Sandbox or Production. Keep OAuth 2.0 and copy the two redirect URIs for your Intuit app. Then it's one click. Connect with QuickBooks. Approve access in the Intuit window, and the company ID, access token, and refresh token are filled in for you. On a fresh install, the setup wizard opens right after activation and walks you through 4 steps. Welcome, environment, credentials, and ready. Choose Sandbox to test against Intuit's free Sandbox company or production for your real books. Enter the client ID and client secret from your Intuit developer app. Click Connect with QuickBooks and complete setup. The wizard runs a live connection test before it saves anything. Now customers. Import customers from QuickBooks into WooCommerce or export the customers you select. Each row shows the mapped QuickBooks customer. Already have the same person in both systems? Search the live list and map them by hand. Products work both ways. Export WooCommerce products to QuickBooks. Variable products send every variation as its own item, and the sync source badge tells you where each mapping came from. Importing is a 2-step flow. The import list stages items from QuickBooks, then create products builds them in WooCommerce. Duplicate SKUs are skipped automatically. Orders are where the accounting happens. Every order shows its QuickBooks sync status. Export them manually or let them go automatically the moment they reach the status you choose. You don't even need to open the connector. There's a QuickBooks column right on the WooCommerce order screen. Open any order, and the QuickBooks status box lets you export or update it in QuickBooks with one click. Next, payments. Every enabled gateway maps to a QuickBooks payment method. Advanced configuration goes further per gateway. When payments sync, which bank account receives them, and whether transaction fees are recorded with a VAT rate and expense account. You can even schedule weekly batch bank deposits from undeposited funds. Just pick the weekday and the hour. Taxes are just as simple. Map each WooCommerce tax class to a QuickBooks tax and set a default tax code as the fallback. Under Configuration, General Settings is where you map your QuickBooks accounts, asset, expense, income, and deposit once. Every export uses them from then on. Auto Sync turns the connector into a background service. Real-time products sync in both directions, filtered by category. Auto export orders by status, send payments to QuickBooks, generate refund receipts automatically, and keep product images in step. And export order settings decides how each order lands in QuickBooks, as a sales receipt, invoice, estimate, or credit memo, with the dates, descriptions, class, and department you want. That's the WooCommerce QuickBooks connector. Connect once, map your accounts, and let your stored data flow into QuickBooks Online. Documentation is at opdoc.webkul.com.